In this free lesson today, we're going to build a butterfly suncatcher. To get started, begin by choosing your glass colors. Print out 2 copies of your pattern and set up your working area. I like to use inexpensive ceiling tile. Use pattern shears to cut out your pattern, which are specifically made to cut out the right amount of space for your stained glass. Glue your pattern pieces to your glass with an inexpensive glue stick and check out the effects either through a window or a light table. Always wear safety glasses when cutting glass. Now begin cutting your glued pattern glass pieces out. Grind your glass pieces. You will get nice, precise fitting pieces by having glued the glass pattern onto your glass. Put your ground pieces of glass into water to soak and loosen the glue. I keep a container of water beside my grinder. Take note of the pattern number on your piece. Towel dry the prepared cut piece of glass. Cut and grind all your pieces. Place them on your working pattern as you go. Copper foil comes in various widths. There are black, silver, and copper-colored foil back. Wrap each piece of glass with self-adhesive copper foil. Apply the tape so it's centered and even amounts come on each side of the Pinch the copper foil into place with your fingers. The more evenly you put on the tape, the better. Remove air bubbles and secure the foil using a fid and even pressure. If there is a tail on the join, use an X-Acto knife and trim that off. The more even your lines of copper foil are, the nicer your solder lines will be. I use the Morton system pins to pin my finished pieces securely onto my ceiling tile working board. Heat your soldering iron. Dab some flux to each point where glass pieces intersect and tack solder those areas. Solder one side entirely, leaving 1/4 inch of your copper foiled lines at the outside of the suncatcher unsoldered. Remove your pins, flip your piece, and solder the backside. Use an old rag to wipe off excess flux. Stretch your border U-channel lead cane framing material before you put it on your suncatcher. Cut the stretched U-cane to the desired length for your piece and wrap it around. Tack solder where it joins and do not overheat because it melts easily. Solder all the lines of copper foil, both sides that intersect with U-cane frame. Do not overheat U-cane, it will melt. Once you complete your soldering, wash your suncatcher with warm soapy water. Patina comes in various finishes. Using gloves and a rag, apply patina to your solder line. Wash your piece again with warm soapy water. Make hanger loops out of craft wires, flux and solder them onto your frame, and attach your chain. Wash your piece once more. Now you can hang your stained glass butterfly and enjoy. For more patterns, check out www.stainedglassartdesigns.com.